How to manage posts on Twitch. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage posts on Twitch. First thing, go to Twitch and then let's go back, and now click this one on your profile and then click this one, account settings, and then click this one, stream manager. Click on it and now you will see this one here, posts. And if you want to turn it off, just click on it, and as you see, boost has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, click on it. And that's how manage boosts on Twitch. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.